got a thing for me, thing for me. She got a thing for me. Oh yeah. She got a thing for me.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it.
Hey y'all, I'm back after surgery on one. So yes, I'm still recovering, but I am here to do makeup because all I can do is stand. All I can do is stand, so why not do it? I already put brow gel on her brows before everything, and then you see me applying powder, which is Sacha Buttercup powder, y'all. So she has nice thin brows, but they are very full, and I love the way her brows are. That's the brow goal that I'm aiming for. Thin but full all over. Yes. So I just took Anastasia Beverly Hills chocolate pencil, and this is not the one with the angle line. It's like the one with the round line, and I like this one, and I love the color. It's very versatile. I took my two-tone brush from MAC, and I took Tarte Tape Chip Concealer in the shade Tan Sand.
Second base on my way home lately. It's crazy like JoJo and Casey. Fucking on a daily. So clear like it's HD. Now she got a thing for me. She got a thing for me. Thing for me. She got a thing for me. Oh yeah. She got a thing for me, thing for me. She got a
After I apply my Inglot shade, which is the third shade, I'm going to go back in with each shade individually, not the third shade, just the first two shades, and I'm just going to basically pack more on to make it more vivid. Alright, y'all, now it's time for the fun part. Okay, so what we doing is cutting the crease with a Crayon C469, and I don't know, I've been switching from so many cut crease brushes, so many brushes that I've been using, but this one really works. Like, it's so thin, precise, it's not giving me a hard time, doesn't have too many brushes in the brush, so you just cut away with this brush, and you can get it. Beauty by Melissa always promotes it, y'all, and it's cheap. It's like $3. So you just basically cut first, like tap, 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 like I'm doing now. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your line before you start filling in the bottom half with the Plouise Base. So tap, 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 tap where you want your crease to be first, and make sure it's even. I'll be trying to make sure it's even. And then what I'm gonna do after I fill everything in is I'm gonna tap. I learned this from P. Adams. I just took a brush and I'm just basically tapping the excess product off the cut crease to make sure when I apply my shadow that everything goes on smooth. Now I'm taking my 167 brush and I'm going in with the second shade, and I'm just tapping it on the ends of her cut crease. You don't want to see any blunt edges, nothing. Everything needs to be as one. I'm just tapping, and then I am going to go in with my first shade that I applied when I applied her eyeshadow and put it on the outer corners of that cut crease. To give it a little bit more definition, I did add black on the outer V area. I will be adding a pigment on top of that white, well, all over the shadows, but I am applying the white out of the James Charles palette in the inner corner. And then I'm going to apply this nude from Urban Decay, and it's called FOXY. And then I'm going to apply this beautiful neon pigment, y'all. So pretty. And it went on smooth, but the only thing is, when you keep packing it on, it kind of got a little bit patchy or like kept falling off. But I'm going to test them out some more. I'm not just going to judge it right there. I'm going to test them out some more, especially on myself, to see like what is it, you know, that I can do. They're really buttery though, that it won't be patchy. Like, see, I had a hard time blending that in, y'all. I really had a hard time blending that in, but it all worked out at the end. So just keep blending, keep blending. Now I'm taking my Unique Glitter pigment, and I was only going to apply it towards the white area only, but you know, to try to camouflage the fallout from the green, which is patchy only in the middle part, I had to put the Unique Glitter all over. Yeah, that's sad. I'm gonna test them out again Don't worry, I'm gonna test them out again. You see me keep blending, keep adding definition and everything. And I just took my Wet n Wild wing liner. I wanted just a line across. I didn't want to do a wing. Her eye shape is so pretty for just a line across, and it goes with everything. So after that, what you want to do is basically take some black shadow, and you want to camouflage the ends of that line that you made, because you don't want anybody to see it. Okay, so I went fast on the face. I primed the face off camera with everything that I use, especially on my face. And then I went in with Nars. Nars is so good for clients, y'all. It really is. Nars is where it's at when it comes to clients. So if you can save up, please get Nars. I use MACO, and I use it's one shade I use. It's a lighter shade. It's my mama shade, but I used it. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking Tarte Deep and Tan Sand to highlight her, and yeah, y'all, get this face popping. This what changed people right here. So you see the foundation, it's just like flat, but then when you add that highlight and contour, that definition, baby, we become somebody else. We be catfishing hoes. No. Then the gloss I used was this gloss from Briana. It's called White Diamond. And now what I'm doing is I'm going under her eyes with ColourPop's black liner. And that's all I did because I didn't want to put anything under her eyes. I just wanted the eyes to pop, the lips to be simple, and that's it. So liner, mascara. Yeah, her eyes match her nails, y'all. Liner, mascara, and that's it. Y'all, excuse my bald head is. And the left side of this camera, y'all already know my bald head. So thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time, dolls, I'll see you on the next one.